Hi, this is going to be a quick video to show you how to use NDI feature here on Worship Pro to project or to send something to your live streaming through OBS or vMix or whatever that uses NDI. So real quick, here you go. You have the NDI button here. Then once you turn it on, it will send whatever is in the screen. I mean, whatever is live already. You don't need to go live anyway, but once you double click, yeah, whatever is in this place actually is sent to whatever is collecting the NDI input. Then the text only will remove the background and they allow you to be able to see whatever video is there already. Now I'm going to show you a wider screen yeah, to see. So this is a video I recorded. It's from one of our church services, and I don't own the copyright anyway, but just to use it for example here. I put that video in loop so that I don't have to go back and turn it on and on. So on the right is an OBS instance. Even though I'm using another OBS to record it, I'm running two OBS in one system. There's a way you can run it. There's a command you can use. You can get two OBS instance in one system. Maybe I can leave it in the comment in the video. So this the the second OBS is what I'm going to show you how it works. Now, because I turned on the NDI, you see that what you are seeing here is the scripture and not the pastor. Now, if I turn it off, you will see the pastor continue preaching. But the issue is that when you turn on the NDI, covers the pastor. So what I will need to do is to click text only. The text only will remove this covering. We allow the pastor to be able to continue in the background. The video will be playing in the background, and you can, just like the normal way Bible verses are projected in live stream. So with that, it's easy for you to continue watching the preacher without obstructing and also showing the scripture. And I'm going to show you on the OBS side. Let me show the source. You want to make sure that the NDI is at the top, and your NDI source, which is the worship Pro source, yeah, it's at the top. If you change this arrangement, you will notice that the video will cover the Bible verse or lyrics, but you want to make sure that you want to make sure that it is moved so that the video doesn't cover it. So I'm going to hide it again so that you can have on the screen. So that is how it works. Even with the translator, I'm using transcription. I'm using Summon Assist. So let me just send something to the screen by watching it. So real quick, I don't know how to scroll, but I just want to be sure it's working. So can we turn our Bible to Genesis chapter 2, verse 1? So it projects it immediately, both your audience in the church and also your audience in the live stream, maybe YouTube, they will see this without covering the screen or covering the preacher. So that's how it works. Even if you do it manually, it's the same thing. Now, why is it showing at the bottom? If peradventure you notice that it's not showing at the bottom, it's showing this way, it's layout stuff. You have a layout called NDI lower thirds here in this place. This place might be covered in your own, but just click. This is what you need. Once you click this, it brings it out. Then also note that you can customize your layout. You can increase this, you can drag and move it around. You can change the background color, let's say, of this. You can make it anything you want. Yeah, so you can increase the opacity, you can make it opaque, you can bring it back to transparent. So it's left for you you can customize quite a lot here. Yeah, so that is it. That's how you can make use of the NDI feature. And if there's any confusion about it, feel free to let us know. And of course, this is not just for the Bible, whether it's your lyrics, whether it's your can navigate and you keep going there. Yeah, that is it. Whatever you're projecting that is text, and you can do that with it. then I think the best way you want to do this is that you have a separate system for your auditorium, your church auditorium, that will be projecting with maybe default or any of these other, yeah, any other outline you want to use. Then have a dedicated system for your live streaming, in which you also have a worship pro that can now send this with the NDI lower text or your own customized layout. Yeah, you can do it whatever way you want. So see, that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you have any feedback, send us feedback. Your feedback will help us to build something that will make your worship and your media team work to be easy for you. That is all we are asking. We want to keep taking your feedback. We want to keep fixing things for you and making things easy for you. Then you can check other videos we have sent out. There are a lot of features you might not have touched. And if you are watching this video and you have not downloaded Worship Pro, I will say please do fast and download that, because by August or September, the team is going to stop the 12 months free access to the Pro. Everybody that has installed it before then will continue using it. So we have a couple of churches that are already making use of Worship Pro, and they're giving us their feedback, and the feedback have been helping us to do better in what we offer, because some of them are not bugs, some of them are just to make things easier for them, and we have been fixing them. Whatever feedback you send, within 24 hours, you will see it affected. We have churches in Abuja, we have such churches in Lagos that are already using it. We have in Ogun State, Ibadan, that are already using it, and they are saying a lot of good things about it, but we don't want to take things for granted. If you use it and you find an issue, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you. Yeah, bye.